Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the time on your Hyundai Santa Fe. First, locate the Setup button on your vehicle's infotainment system. Once found, press it to access the main settings menu. From there, you will need to navigate through the options until you find the date/time selection. It's important to make these adjustments while your vehicle is safely parked to avoid distractions. After selecting date/time, you'll likely see an option for manual time setting. Choose this to begin adjusting the time yourself. You can then use the on-screen up and down arrows to precisely set the current hour and minute. Take your time to ensure accuracy. Once you have the correct time displayed, remember to confirm your changes to save them to your vehicle's system. For convenience, your Hyundai Santa Fe also offers a GPS time option, which automatically synchronizes the time. If you prefer this, simply enable it. You will also need to select your correct time zone from the provided list to ensure accuracy. Additionally, there's usually a toggle for daylight saving time, allowing you to turn it on or off as needed, depending on your region's regulations. Once you've made all your adjustments, take a moment to double-check the displayed time on your infotainment screen to ensure everything is accurate. If you're not using the automatic GPS time, remember to manually adjust for daylight saving time when it occurs. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to the simple path to wealth and other great deals that can help you manage your finances better. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.